Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send a Monopoly Go link so you can invite your friends to play with you. Whether you want to send it through WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other apps, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the friends button in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the green invite icon with the plus symbol. Then, click on the orange invite button. Tap on copy if you want to share the link manually. You can then paste it into WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other app. Or tap on the social media icon like Facebook, Instagram, or SMS, and the game will automatically generate a message with your invite link. Just hit send. Once your friends click the link, they'll be directed to download Monopoly Go. And that's it. Now you know how to send a Monopoly Go link to invite your friends. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Monopoly Go tips. See you in the next one.